start with a little snip here. Not too much, that's enough. We need to tin that, or whatever it's called, put some tin on it. Shouldn't really do it with your fingers on it, because it's fat on it. Heat the tip of the wire so we get the solder to run into the wire instead of on top of it. And for that we need heat, and this one is not hot enough. No, it's not hot enough. Some say you should never touch the soldering iron in the tin. Come on man, heat up. There it went in. There. Oh yeah. We need some solder in the cup as well, or in the bullet. Not too much, because if you get too much, it's going to run over, and then you will not be able to mount the EC5 bullet correctly into the thingy. I think that's a bit too much tin in there. Too much. Alright, now we need to get warm. For that we need fire. Make sure, so many times I've done this and I forget to put the wire through the blue connector. Warm, warm, warm. Right. Hope this works now. Oh, it ran over. I knew that was too much there. Ah, that's hot. That's hot. That's really hot. Okay, it's hot now. Ah. See if I can get that off. God, how much solder is in there? So much solder. And if all okay now, it's gonna persevere with my test that device is hot. Don't whack them in there. You should be able to, if this is clean all the way around there, you should be able to pull here. And first of all, if you want to check if your soldering is okay, if you can cope with the pulling here, because now it should snap in, make sure it lines up and click, then it's free in there, you see. And that's why I like it when they go like that, because when you put them in the car, the wires actually follow. Yeah, it just works better instead of like. So there. That's how I do it. Thank you.